Hello, today I'll be showing you how to fix this flickering problem with Samsung phones, which is there in many models including J series, A series and S series and so on. I'll show you the only way that worked for me to fix this issue, and I'm sure it will work for you. If you have tried all of these fixes already and nothing seemed to work, try this hack or trick. So this is basically what happens, that the screen starts to flicker with when the brightness is low. Like you can see, not talking about the scan lines which are coming because I am recording. Ignore them. This half screen will go dark and the other half will start flickering. On white background it's more prominent, you can see in the Google Chrome. And to fix this we need to increase brightness a lot, like 40%, 50%, which is so harsh and painful to the eyes. Now like I am opening AliExpress, you can see the top half and lower half is continuously flickering like this. So if nothing seemed to work, what you can do, see, wait a minute, like now it's half and there is no problem now, but it's very painful for the eyes and also uses a lot more battery. We cannot use this. So for this, what you have to do is go to Play Store. I will screen capture now, wait. So yeah, so go to this and download this blue light filter with 10 million downloads, and now open it. See, my brightness is not much, it's around 30 to 25, 30%. Just enable the this. You don't have to do anything to the intensity, it's for changing the color like night shift, candlelight, anything. You just have to play with this screen dim option. You can control the brightness from here instead of the upper part. The See, if I increase the phone brightness I can still change it from here. So I will go back to the mobile recording now. So yeah, so I will make it like low here, not much, and from here I can change my brightness. I think, yeah, you can see that now easily around this percent, whatever is better for your eyes, and you will notice the flickering problem is gone. There's nothing, no problem like before it was coming when I was doing this. And also I will show you like in Google Chrome, like before on a white background or in this AliExpress. See, even if I click something like this and the screen is plain and my brightness is not much still, not like before 40%, 50%. And in Chrome as well you can see it's clear. And this is the way you can fix your problem. It will help you. The one another thing I liked about it is if you use it for some days and then disable it, the problem will go for some days. And these are some cons which I faced. So for taking screenshot you can disable it. I hope it will fix your problem, and thank you for watching.